The scalloped hammerhead shark is a pelagic shark found worldwide in warm tropical waters, including the Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, and Pacific Ocean. The scalloped hammerheads utilize a variety of habitats on a daily basis. At dawn, these sharks move from their offshore hunting grounds to island shelves, seamounts, and enclosed bays and estuaries. During the day, these sharks migrate to the decreasing depth zones and coral reefs where the female sharks congregate. At dusk, these sharks return to the offshore pelagic areas. The scalloped hammerhead shark has a small but prominent notch in the center of its distinctively shaped head, which also has a distinct groove along its anterior edge, giving the species its common name. The first dorsal fin is sickle-shaped and larger in size than the second dorsal fin is close by and has a concave rear edge. The tips of the pectoral fins are dark gray or black with a heterocercal and forked caudal fin type. The body color of this species shows a typical pelagic color contrast with a gray back and white ventral surface. In the Gulf of California, female hammerhead sharks were found at a depth of 50 meters, while male hammerhead sharks of similar size were found at a depth of 25 meters. In northern Australia, the breeding season for these sharks occurs from February to March, depending on the geographic region. After a gestation period of 9 to 10 months, 12 to 38 shark pups are born, measuring 38 to 45 centimeters in length. Immediately after birth, shark pups must find their own food, but they usually live in large groups until adulthood. The authors of that study estimated the maximum lifespan of this species to be 55 years. In a separate study conducted off the coast of Sinoloa, Mexico, the oldest individual sampled was approximately 10.5 years old. Most females are found in sexually segregated schools with larger, more mature females in the center. Young scalloped hammerheads live in large schools until they reach maturity. Adult male hammerhead sharks almost always join groups when searching for a mate. Like all sharks, the scalloped hammerhead shark uses its eyes for visual perception, and its nostrils to detect chemical cues. These animals of the genus Sphyrna have special sensory organs called ampullae of Lorenzini, which are located on the underside of the snout and hammer, and help in detecting buried prey, as well as navigation. The scalloped hammerheads in the Pacific Ocean are able to follow geological fault lines along the seafloor. The newly cooled magma forms rocks that have strong magnetic signals, which these sharks follow to locations where they form groups to feed, form schools, and mate. Younger individuals tend to feed in coastal waters, on benthic and neritic fish. Adults live in deeper oceanic waters, feeding on neritic and epipelagic fishes and cephalopods, lobsters, shrimps, and crabs, as well as various smaller sharks and rays. Scalloped hammerheads are listed as an endangered species by the IUCN Red List, since they are vulnerable to illegal fishing.